About $5 million here, this ain't Play-Doh though. Ain't no horoscope, man, we gon' slay those. We got scribble, getting acid, rockin' the show. Special guest star, Mark Bronson. First 500, just went crazy when he left, they answered it. All he did was plug me in, I got a charging. We so drastic, cold, basement cold. We talking about $5 million here, this ain't Play-Doh though. Ain't no horoscope, man, we gon' slay those. We got scribble, getting acid, rockin' the show. Special guest star, Mark Bronson. First 500, just went crazy when he left, they answered it. All he did was plug me in, I got a charging. Got they hard and ring, they hold the harvest.
I'm hanging with the poetry on my phone. I can tell you what they say, niggas what you wanna know. They say, ladies, all the ladies wanna know. Be my Julia and I can be your woman. If you recognize, I can get the love. And then you love, I'm already even 20 years old. I'm a fan, I'm waiting. Let me tell you what they say when I'm pulling up the dog. They say, hey yo, I'm taking my name to the party, so you cut up the brother. You don't need to cut up the dog. Can't play something for the DJ, cause it's not with us. Hope about it, ladies who look at the dog, brother. When we go loud, we roll on love. Rolling the ball, skating on unit, you controlling the club. Mama, you shaking the ass, they throwing it up. Like a piece of something, I'm ready, come on. Jumped up rough when I bang big bullets, I walk up with Trump. I love to get it and stuff up though. Act up and my real niggas stuff up and up like boom. Yeah, I heard, I'm bustin', that's my word. You can get out of line and your foot is mine. Number one up in your mouth, put it in your mouth. I might be new to the game, but it's the damn thing with a bum about to do it again. I got more words that can be up. I'm already on my floor with big dogs.